Hey beautiful people, we are back at another property. So this property has an amazing incentive where they're actually giving you $25,000 to go towards your closing costs, which is really amazing. So I want to show you all this property. This will be the laundry room here. This is your laundry room. And this sounds like the furnace, the garage. Very spacious, as you can see. This is in Winter Haven. If you guys like this property, definitely let me know, because I know it's not going to be around for long. So definitely let me know. My phone number is 407-374-2747. And here's one of your bathrooms here. Turn the light on so you can see it. Perfect. Look how open it is in here. I love it. Very beautiful. And then your pantry is here. It looks like it comes with the stove, microwave, the dishwasher. Look, that's what's coming. It's not going to come with a fridge though. And this is the owner suite. Here is the closet. The shower. And more closet space. Very, very beautiful. Like I said, if you guys love this home, definitely give me a call. 407-374-2747. I can show you guys this home, plus there's other homes that's available. There's a lot of builders out here that's giving incentives all the way up to $25,000, and some are even paying down an interest rate and get you an interest rate of 4% or even 5% too. So definitely give me a call. I'll be happy to help you. And if you guys are just somewhere else outside of Florida in the United States, I'm partnering with so many other realtors that can actually help you find you a home. Now this one new construction, newly built, so there's a lot of new construction in the U.S. So if you have any questions, call me 407-374-2747. Bye-bye.